This is a 2019 Honda Ridgeline, gray over gray leather interior, power windows, locks, and mirrors, leather wrapped steering wheel, cruise control, Bluetooth for your cell phone, push button start, traction control, navigation, satellite radio, remote start, heated seats, USB for your phone, power moonroof. There's a look at the rear seat, aluminum wheels, backup camera, spray-in bed liner, sliding rear window. This vehicle is powered by a 3.5 liter V6 engine, so it's got power. And like all pre-owned vehicles at AutoNation Honda, it has a 5-day, 250-mile money-back guarantee.